In this video, I will show you how you can use direct voicemail, and I will give you a demonstration of how it works on the Samsung Galaxy S26, 26 Plus or Ultra. First, this is a test, leaving a voicemail message. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then, open up the phone application. Now go into settings, and we're going to turn on direct voicemail. So make sure it is turned on. Inside here, when you're unable to answer, allow the caller to leave a voicemail message, and it will be stored on your device. So the voicemail message will be stored on your phone. You do not need to call up your network provider. You do not need to call the voicemail box, and hence you will not need to spend any credit on it. Okay, so this is the incoming call. Now if I leave it for a while and I do not answer the call,
the person you're trying to reach isn't available.
it will go to a
Please
voicemail.
leave a message at the tone. When you finish talking, you may hang up.
Yes, hi, hello, I'm leaving a voicemail message here as a test. Okay, so I left a voicemail message. If I go to recents here, you can see it shows I have a missed call and I have a voicemail message here with this blue icon or blue symbol. Okay, so if I tap on that, I can tap on the microphone button here to play the message. So tap on the play button. Yep, hi, hello, I'm leaving a voicemail message here as a test. And that's it. So that is direct voicemail message locally on your device. You do not need to spend credit and call your network provider mailbox. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.